Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a profitable store with BigCommerce easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, sign up for a BigCommerce account by visiting their website. Once you're on the home page, click on the Start a Free Trial button. Fill in the required information to create your account. After signing up, you will be directed to the BigCommerce dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. Next, choose a store name that reflects your brand. Navigate to the Store Setup section in the left-hand menu. Here, enter the details about your store, including your address and contact information. Click on Next to go to the payment settings. Select the payment methods you wish to offer, like credit cards or PayPal. Once your payment options are set, proceed to the shipping settings. Define your shipping options, including rates and carriers, based on your target market. Now it's time to select a theme for your store. Click on Design and then Themes to browse through various templates. Choose a theme that aligns with your brand and click Customize. In the Customization menu, adjust colors, fonts, and layouts to match your branding. After designing your store, go to the Products section. Click on Add to upload your first product. Fill out the product details, including title, description, price, and images. Ensure your product images are high quality for better customer engagement. Once your product is added, consider setting up categories for easy navigation. Next, go to the Marketing section to set up SEO settings. Optimize your store's title and meta descriptions for better search visibility. Consider adding promotional banners or discounts in the Marketing tab. To build customer trust, set up policies like a return policy and privacy policy. You can find templates in the Store Setup section. Now let's evaluate your store by using the Preview feature. Click on the Preview button to see how your site will look to customers. Once satisfied with the layout, publish your store by clicking the Launch button. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.